We are unboxing the Harbor Freight Quinn 48-piece Master Impact Socket Set 3/8 inch drive that includes both SAE and metric. Under the Harbor Freight ecosystem of product offerings, this Quinn is a mid-grade offering. The lower grade is Pittsburgh and the higher end is Icon. In September 24, this set cost $89.99 and was purchased with a 20% coupon, which made the net cost $71.99 pre-sales tax. Individual price per item in the set is therefore $1.50 each, which is an exceptional value. Linked above, we released a video in February 2024 on unboxing the Harbor Freight 1/2 inch drive SAE and metric Master Impact Socket Set, which had 61 pieces. We liked that set so much that we decided to get this smaller set that is driven by the 3/8 inch drive. Now, interestingly, I actually preferred using the 1/2 inch drive, but it's important to have both depending on the application. This 48-piece 3/8 inch drive socket set is chrome molybdenum, not chrome vanadium. It has a nice black phosphate coating for corrosion resistance, and the size, SAE or metric, are clearly labeled due to the laser etching. The black molded case is just like the one for the 61-piece set, and it doesn't tip over. It's pretty heavy duty, although it only has two snaps in the front or the top, depending on which orientation you're looking at. There's not two more on each side. You have to use your X-Acto knife to slice the plastic twist tie that is holding the case in the closed position. My first observation when I opened the kit was the black phosphate coating for corrosion resistance and the oil that was present on that coating. That might be there possibly for preservative purposes or anti-rust, but with the chrome molybdenum, I wouldn't expect it to rust, so it wasn't clear why there was oil there, but it was there. The deep sockets in metric are at the top of the box, with the shallow metrics on the left side, following the perimeter. On the SAE, the deep sockets are also in the center, just below the extender bars, and the shallow socket SAE are in the bottom right. There are 3 extender bars which come in pretty handy. The nice thing is that it generally does not skip sizes, and it has identical sizes in deep sockets and also the shallow sockets. There are 3 nice extension bars, and I particularly like the fact that the converter sockets, of which there are 4 and 1 universal adapter, if you have to buy that set individually, that's typically in the range of $20 or more. And so the fact that that is included in this set at the price point already mentioned is quite compelling. The lifetime warranty is particularly helpful when you're working on a job and something gets damaged accidentally. You can drive to Harbor Freight and immediately have the part replaced. You don't have to wait. You don't have to mail it in. You don't have to wait for return shipping either. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.